Hello children, this is Sati sir. Today we are going to see one more important numericals in reflection of light. Before going to see numericals, all formula I will remind you once. This is a reflection of light. Chapter name, reflection of light. Tell me, right side I will write formulas. Number 1, what is mirror formula? Mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Number 2, what is magnification formula? Magnification m is equal to minus v by u or hi by h naught. Height of the image by height of the object. This is image distance by object distance. Here 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. U is object distance, v is image distance, f is focal length. All distances must be measured from the pole. Number 3, lens formula. Lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Lens formula. Number 4, magnification. Magnification, this is for mirrors, this is for lenses. Lenses also same, but v by u or hi by h naught. Only the difference is here minus, here plus. Number 5, image formed by curved surface. Image formed by curved surface. What is image formed by curved surface? N2 by v minus N1 by u is equal to N2 minus N1 by r. Are you able to see? Right. I will write the same formula again here. N2 by v minus N1 by u is equal to N2 minus N1 by r. This is image formed by curved surface. Next, lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula. What is lens maker's formula? 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Lens makers. Radius of first curvature, this is radius of second curvature. N is refractive index. Number 7, refractive index is seventh formula. Refractive index n is equal to c by v. Speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium, that is 3 into 10 power 8. Speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8. It varies, depends on the medium. Next, Snell's formula. Sin A by sin R is equal to N2 by N1, that is equal to V1 by V2. Refractive index of the prism mu is equal to sin of A plus dm by 2 by sin A by 2, where A is the angle of prism. This I will show you once again. This is angle of prism. Dm is angle of minimum deviation, the angle between extended incident ray and extended emergent ray. And next one is A. See, denominator also A. A means angle of prism. Once again I will remind you all these formula. Number 1, mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Magnification m is equal to minus v by u or hi by h naught. Lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Magnification m is equal to v by u or hi by h naught. There is a small difference. For mirrors it is minus v by u, here plus v by u. Hi by h naught, both are same. Image formed by curved surface, n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r. Now same formula I wrote here. Lens maker's formula 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Refractive index is equal to c by v, that is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. Snell's formula. Sin A by sin R is equal to N2 by N1, that is equal to V1 by V2. N1 means refractive index of first medium. N2 means refractive index of second medium. V1 speed of light in first medium, speed of light in second medium. I is angle of incidence, R is angle of refraction. Angle of prism is mu equal to sin of A plus dm by 2 by sin A by 2. These are all formulas in reflection and refraction. Take one snapshot and note down. Completed, children? Right. See children, this is the first question we are going to see. Size of the object is given 4 centimeter and it is placed 25 centimeter in front of the concave mirror, and focal length of the mirror is also given 15 centimeter. Find the image distance where the sharp image is formed. Find the nature of image and height of the image. These 3 points we have to find. First of all, draw one rough diagram. This is what concave mirror. Concave mirror means it is extracted from the whole sphere. From the whole sphere, if you extract a part, this is, and silver mercury amalgam if you paint outside is called concave mirror. This is a center of curvature. The center of the whole glassware is called center of curvature. This is what geometrical midpoint pole. This is what imaginary line passing from these 2 points is called principal axis. The point in between pole and center of curvature is called nothing but focal length. This is what a focus or focal plane, principal focus. Now what is given? Object distance is given 25 centimeter. Focal length is given 15. Focal length means the distance between pole and focus. Object distance is how much? 25 centimeter. Sorry. Focal length is 15 centimeter. The distance between pole and focus is 15. The distance between pole and focus and 15 means what is the distance between pole and center of curvature? Radius of curvature. This is nothing but radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Why? Because we know that r is equal to 2f. Focal length is exactly in between pole and center of curvature. If focal length is given directly, we can find the radius. Radius is exactly double than the focal length. So if it is 15, this will be 30. Pole to center of curvature 30. Indirectly radius also given. But what is object distance? 25 centimeter. 25 means what? Object is placed in between F and C, close to C, far from C. That means object is here. Here let us consider here the object is placed. This is what object O. Object distance also measured from the pole. What is the object distance? U is equal to 25 centimeter. Right. See, this is what incident ray. We know that if object is placed in between F and C, image forms beyond C. That means answer must be more than 30. What is that more than 30? We will see. Object distance is measured from pole and should be compared with the parallel incident ray according to sign convention. Measuring from pole, compare with the parallel incident ray. Measuring from left to right, compare with right to left. So both are in opposite direction. So U is negative. So I am putting minus. Why minus? Means sign convention. Height of the object. Height of the candle is, let us consider 4 centimeter. It is above the principal axis. According to sign convention, above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. Focal length also same, pole to focus. Measuring from left to right, compare with parallel incident ray right to left. So this is also negative. We don't know. Now apply mirror formula. Why? Because it is a mirror only now. So apply mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f 15 minus 15 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 25. Why? Because plus into minus, minus directly I wrote. 1 by v keep there only. Minus what? 25 comes to this side, plus 25. Already minus 15 is here. So 1 by v is equal to 15 25. What is LCM? 15 25. 5 3s, 5 5s. So 5 3s are 15, 15 5s are 75. 75 is LCM. 25 3s, 3 1s. 25 divided by 75 divided by 25. 25 3s, 3 1s. 15 5, 15 divided by 5. 15 5s are 75. 15 4s are 60. 15 5s are 75. 5 1s. So 1 by v is equal to minus 2 by 5. So 2 by 75. We don't want 1 by v. We want v. Reverse it. V is equal to 75 by 2, that is minus 2 3s, 2 7s, 37.5 meter. What does it mean? Minus means in the opposite direction of incident ray. Incident ray is in this direction. Minus means opposite to incident ray. That means here is 30, here the image forms. 37 means here the image forms. Now we will see nature. Nature means magnification. Magnification is equal to minus v by u. That is equal to hi by h naught. This is the formula just we saw. Magnification is equal to minus of, what is v? Minus 35. Minus into minus plus 37.5 by u. U how much? U is minus 25. The direct one more step also you can write, magnification m is equal to 375 by 250. Why? Because 1 point if you remove, put 1 0 in denominator. 25 tens, 25 ones, 25 zeros, 25 ones, 25, 12 remainder, 5, 125, 25 5s, 5 3s, 5 2s. That means minus 3 by 2, that is equal to hi by h naught. If object height is 2 centimeter, image height is 3 centimeter. That means image is larger. At 37.5 centimeter, larger image is formed. Minus means below the principal axis. That means nature of the image is, what is the nature of image? It is inverted. Inverted image is always real. Real, inverted and enlarged image is formed. Enlarged image is formed beyond C. Understand, children? Once again, object height is given 4 centimeter, candle height 4 centimeter, object distance is also given 25 centimeter, focal length is given 15. Focal length 15 means radius of curvature 30. Double than that, r equal to 2f. So focus is exactly in between pole and center of curvature. So r equal to 2f. If focal length is given, double it, 30. Image nature of height we have to find. So here object, what is the relation between object height and image height? If object height is 2, image height is 3. Here object height is 4 is given, image height will be multiply. If it is divided by 2 and 2, image height will be 6 centimeter. Image height is 6 centimeter. That means if you substitute in mirror formula after sign convention, you will get real inverted enlarged image. Very, very important problem. Before going to substitute, you need to do sign convention. Now we will see second problem. See children, next question. Magnification is +1. Magnification is equal to +1. What does it mean? What does it mean? What is the meaning of this sentence? Observe carefully. Magnification formula we know. What is magnification formula? Minus V by U. That is nothing but image distance by, V means what? Image distance by object distance. Image distance by object distance. Number 1. +1 is given. +1 means minus V by U. On cross multiplication, U is equal to minus V or minus V is equal to U. That means minus U is equal to V. Both sides you multiply with minus. This is positive, this will be negative. That means object distance is equal to image distance. Let us consider this is a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. I placed object here. This is what incident ray. The pole to object is called object distance. Object distance measuring from pole compare with the parallel incident ray. Both are negative. U is negative. Okay. Image concave mirror. What type of image is formed? Mostly real inverted diminished. That means U also most of the time image distance also negative. Only one time if object is in between pole and focus, V will be positive. Okay, first condition satisfied. It may be concave mirror. Second condition also we will check. Magnification is equal to height of the image by height of the object. Magnification is +1. Height of the image by height of the object. Cross multiply. Hi is equal to h0. That means height of the image, height of the object, both will be same. When it is possible? If you place at center of curvature, then only possible. But observe carefully, height of the image is above the principal axis and height of the image is below the principal axis. That means if height of the object is positive, height of the image will be definitely negative. So concave mirror condition is not satisfied. So it is not a concave mirror. Now we will check convex mirror. Convex mirror we know children, silver mercury amalgam will be inside. It is used as a rear view mirror. If object is placed here, it is a diverging mirror. Diverges and seems to meet at focus. One more ray you take at pole. After reflection diverges and seems to meet like this. The image of this object forms here. So image is always diminished. Same size of image will not form. Then two mirrors are completed. Only one mirror is left. What is that? Plane mirror. We will check plane mirror. So this is a plane mirror. If you are here, your image will be here. Object distance from the pole is equal to image distance from the pole. Both are equal. This is what object, incident ray. If you are measuring from pole, this is what pole, geometrical midpoint, pole to here. U measuring from right to left. Compare with the parallel incident ray. That means U is negative. V is positive. Measuring from pole, compare with the parallel incident ray. It is in positive. This condition satisfied. Height of the image equal to height of the object. This condition is also satisfied. Both are above the principal axis only. This condition satisfied. So it is a plane mirror. Remember, magnification is +1 means what? The given mirror is plane. It is a plane mirror. Remaining all mirrors, this condition is not satisfying. Only plane mirror, this condition is satisfied. Take a snapshot or write a notes. We will go to next problem. See children, next problem, third problem. Object distance 10 centimeter. Object distance is 10 centimeter from the convex mirror this time. And focal length is also given 50 centimeter. Where the image is formed, what is the nature and position of the image. See, this is what convex mirror, curved surface. Convex mirror means silver mercury amalgam will be inside. It is extracted from this whole sphere. This is what center of curvature, say, geometrical midpoint pole. This is the imaginary line passing from pole and center of curvature. We know object distance, object is always placed on the reflecting side. This is reflecting side, children. This is reflecting side. This is what? Non-reflecting side. This is non-reflecting side. Non-reflecting. I placed the object at 10 centimeter. From here it is 10 centimeter. Object is at 10 centimeter. U is equal to 10 centimeter from the pole. O dash. Now focal length is also given 15. Focal length means the distance, focus is present in between pole and center of curvature. The distance between pole and focus. This is what focal length, 15 centimeter. This is what parallel incident ray. Object distance always measured from the pole, compare with the parallel incident ray. Both are in opposite direction. Observe. Measuring from pole, compare with parallel incident ray, negative. Focal length, measuring from pole, compare with the parallel incident ray, both are in same direction. Measuring from pole to focus, compare with this, both are in same direction. So focus is positive. Where the image forms, we will see. This is also mirror. Apply mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by F how much? 15 is equal to 1 by V plus into minus 1 by U is 10. 1 by V, keep it there only. 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10 comes to this side, plus 1 by 10. 1 by V is equal to 15, 10. What is LCM? 15, 10. 5 3s, 5 2s. All are prime numbers. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. 30 is LCM. 30 divided by 15, 2. 2 1s are 2. Plus 30 divided by 10, 10 3s, 3 1s. So 1 by V is equal to 5 by 30. We don't want V. We don't want 1 by V. I want V. V is equal to 30 by 5. 5 1s, 5 6. 6 centimeter. Image distance is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means this side or this side? Plus. Plus means what? In the direction of incident ray. Incident ray is in this direction. That means image also will be in this direction. That means it is 15 centimeter means in between pole and focus. Let it be. Image forms here. Whether the image is enlarged or diminished also we will see. Nature of image. Magnification we will find. Magnification is equal to minus V by U. V we know, U we know. Minus V how much? 6 by U how much? Minus 10. Cancel. 2 3s, 2 5s. This is nothing but HI by H naught. If object height is 5 centimeter, if this is 5 centimeter, image height is only 3 centimeter. That means image height is only 3 centimeter, object height is 5 centimeter. That means a diminished image is formed. What is the nature of image? We will see. It is a diverging mirror, diverges and seems to meet at 6 centimeter, seems to meet at focus. One more incident ray, diverges, seems to meet like this. Now the image forms here. That means 6 centimeter from the pole. It may be somewhat clumsy. It is 6 centimeter from the 6 centimeter from the pole. What type of image? It is erect, virtual, erect, diminished. Virtual, erect, diminished image forms in between pole and focus. Important. Note down. Take one snapshot and note down. Next problem, see children. An object is placed in front of an object is placed at 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror on the principal axis, and radius of curvature of concave mirror is also given 8 centimeter. Where the image is formed, what is the nature of image? Nature of image they did not ask, that also we will find. First, take concave mirror, principal axis, geometrical midpoint pole, center of the whole glass sphere C, and the midpoint in between pole and center of curvature focus. Here radius of curvature, the radius means what? The distance between pole and center of curvature 8 centimeter. That means focal length how much? Half of it, 4 centimeter. Object is placed at 10. Object means nothing but beyond C. Why? Because it is radius. So object is placed here. Object is denoted by O. Object distance U, 10 centimeter. Where the image forms. Before going to write mirror formula, first of all we need to do sign convention. Object distance measured from the pole, compare with the parallel incident ray. Both are in opposite direction, U negative. Focal length pole to focus and measured with so if radius is given means focal length is 4 centimeter, exactly half. Pole to focus measured from compare with the parallel incident ray, both are negative. Why I am finding focal length? Because mirror formula radius is not there. Mirror formula we know focus. So what is mirror formula? Mirror formula, tell me. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f minus 4 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 10. 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 10 comes to this side, plus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4. 1 by v is equal to what is LCM? 10 4. 2 5s are 2 2s, all are prime numbers. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20 is LCM. 10 2s are 2 1s, 4 5s are 5 1s. So 1 by v is equal to minus 3 by 20. From this v is equal to 20 by minus 3. That means 6.66 centimeter. The image forms 6.66 centimeter, that is negative. Negative means what? Opposite direction of parallel incident ray. This is parallel incident ray, opposite side. Image forms here. 6.66 means what? This is focal length is 4, center of curvature is 8. 6.66 means exactly in between. Here the image forms. Here the candle of this image forms here. Whether it is enlarged or diminished, that also we will see. Magnification is equal to minus v by u. Minus v how much? V is nothing but 6.6. Minus of 6.6. Minus into minus plus. U is minus 10. Minus 10. That is equal to nothing but hi by h naught. Observe, if height of the object is 10 centimeter, height of the image is 6.6, and that means diminished. Height of the image 10 centimeter. If it is 10 centimeter, height of the object 10 centimeter, height of the image will be only 6.6. That means diminished image is formed. So what is the nature of image? From this directly we can write real inverted diminished image is formed. Where? In between focus and center of curvature. Very important question. Previous question also. Note down. Take one snapshot and note down. See children, this is one more interesting problem. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature is 3 meter. A convex mirror radius of curvature. First of all, we will draw one convex mirror. This is what convex mirror. It is extracted from this whole sphere. This is center of curvature. This is geometrical midpoint pole. This is imaginary line. This is called principal axis. The distance between pole to center of curvature is called nothing but radius. Radius is how much? 3 meter. This is 3 meter. Now, Object, a bus is present at 5 meter. Let us consider here, this is what reflecting, this is non-reflecting side. Object must be this side. It is a rear view mirror. Generally convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror. Rear view mirror means to see the back traffic. Here one bus is present. This is a bus. Object is bus. O dash is height of the bus. O dash is height. O is object. Now they are asking what is the nature of image, what type of image is formed. We know that this is what parallel incident ray. After reflection diverges and seems to meet at focus. Focus will be exactly in between pole and center of curvature. One more incident ray I am taking from pole. The angle made by the incident ray with the normal angle of incidence. This angle will be equal to this angle, reflected angle. So it seems to go like this. So the image of the bus forms here. That means we know that definitely the answer must be in between 0 to 3. What is that nature of the image? Nature of the image also we know virtual, erect, diminished, but we have to find. Now see, before going to do this problem, we need to do sign convention. What is object distance? Object distance u is equal to 5 meter. Measuring from pole, compare with the parallel incident ray, u is negative. U is negative. Focal radius of curvature, pole to center of curvature 3 meter. That means what is focal length? Exactly in between them now, f is equal to 1.5 meter. Measuring from pole, compare with the parallel incident ray, both are in same direction. So focal length will be 1.5 indirectly given. We know mirror formula. Tell me what is mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f is nothing but 1.5 is equal to 1 by v. We have to find 1 by u plus into minus 1 by 5. Understand children? 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 5 comes to this side. 1 by 1.5 plus 1.5. If you remove point, 10 comes into numerator. 5 2s, so 5 3s. I'll write here. 1 by v is equal to 15 is LCM. 3 5s, 5 2s, 10. 5 3s, 3 1s. 1 by v is equal to 13 by 15. V is equal to 15 by 13. This is v value. 13 1s are 13. 2 remainder 20. 1 7 remainder 5. 13 5s are 65. Again you will get some more values. No need. 1.15 enough. After 0.2 digits enough. 1.15 meter, that is positive. Positive means in the direction of incident ray. This is incident ray direction. This is incident ray. In the same direction the image forms. That means image forms on the non-reflecting side. 1.15 means what? Focal length is 1.5. 1.15 means in between pole and focus. What type of image is formed? That also we will find minus v by u. What is minus v? Minus 1.15 by u. What is u? Minus 5. That is equal to, compare with hi by h naught. Minus minus cancel. If height of the object is 5 meter, height of the image is only 1.15 meter. Very small image is formed. Try to understand. If it is 5 meter, height of the image will be only 1.5. That means nature of the image is what? Above the principal axis, no, both are plus. Above the principal axis. So, virtual, erect, diminished image is formed. Virtual, erect, diminished image is formed in between pole and focus. Very, very important problem. It is also previous problem. Any doubt, write in comment section. Practice once, nothing is there. Before going to substitute in mirror formula, you need to do sign convention. All distances must be measured from the pole. Compare with the incident ray. If incident ray and measured direction both are same, take positive. Opposite, take negative. Let us consider this is incident ray. Measuring from pole, object distance is in this direction. Incident ray is in this direction. Both are opposite. So take minus. Radius. Pole to center of curvature, radius, measuring in this direction, incident ray also same direction. So positive. Understand children? Right, okay. Children, once again I will teach you how to do sign convention before going to see next problem in next chapter. This is what concave mirror. Concave mirror is a curved mirror which is extracted from the whole sphere where silver mercury amalgam is present outside. This is the center of the whole glass sphere is called center of curvature. Let us consider this is what mirror. you measure this length with the help of thread, and the midpoint of the thread is called nothing but a geometrical midpoint is called pole. The distance between pole and center of curvature is called nothing but principal axis. The imaginary line passing from pole and center of curvature is called principal axis. This is called principal axis. The midpoint between pole and center of curvature is called nothing but focus. The distance between pole and focus is focal length. The distance between pole and center of curvature is called radius. R is equal to 2f. Imagine. Here is the object. Object may be, generally we use candle in the laboratory. The distance between pole and object is object distance. Let us consider image forms here. The image of this object forms here. Pole to image is called image distance. Height of the object is h0. Height of the image is hi. Now observe carefully. We get incident rays from the object. This is the incident ray. Now what is object distance? U. Pole to object, object distance. Measuring from pole, compare with this incident ray. This is called incident ray, parallel incident ray, parallel to the principal axis. Measuring from pole, compare with the parallel incident ray. Both are in opposite direction. I am measuring from left to right, compare with the right to left. So object distance is negative. What is image distance? This is image, pole to image. Compare with the incident ray, image distance is negative. What is focal length? Pole to focus, left to right. Compare with this, focal length is negative. What is radius? Pole to center of curvature, radius. Measure from pole, compare with this, our radius is negative. And height of the object above the principal axis. This is second rule. If object or image above the principal, take positive. Height of the image below, take negative. These are sign convention rules. All distances must be measured from the pole and should be compared with the parallel incident ray. If both are in same direction, take positive sign, else negative sign. Remember all these rules. By default for concave mirror, all distance, the object distance is always negative. Image distance also always negative except one condition. If object is placed in between pole and focus, only this is pole and focus. Where the image forms virtual erect diminished. Parallel ray goes from focus, one more ray from pole diverges, seems to meet at this point. Only in this case image will be positive. If you place object in between pole and focus, then only, if object is in between pole and focus, then only positive. Remaining all cases V is negative. Focal length is always negative. R is always negative. Height of the object always positive. Height of the image also always negative except this condition. Height of the image is positive only in these two, in between, object is in between pole and focus. Remember children, very important. Any doubts, write in comment section. All the best. God bless you.